Aalis na si Mr. Tingnan nyo. Maghihintay tayo kay Mr. dito. Kain tayo mga palangga. So, this is my breakfast slash lunch again. Kasi 10 o'clock na dito. Ako lang mag-isa dito sa bahay kasi nakita nyo naman umalis si Mr. Good news. 3 days ago, trinak ko yung LBC box ko at nasa Pilipinas na siya. Pagkatapos kong kumain, track natin ulit kung may progression ba yung box natin. Nang sinabi ko sa pamilya ko na yung box nandoon na sa Pinas, nakarating na sa Pinas, tuwang-tuwa sila. So, sinabi ko sa kanila na please huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-video or mag-picture lang man para may makita ako. So, ngayon, as usual, dahil nasa front room ako, nanonood ako ng TV, yung new premiere ngayon is How to Train Your Dragon, yung bago nila. At least, yung box natin, dadating talaga siya, mag-a-arrive siya before Christmas talaga. I am hoping lang talaga na hindi nila binuksan yung box. Okay lang na binuksan nila. Basta wala lang mawala. Pero pag may mawala, naku! Iwan ko na lang ano ang magiging reaction ko. Hindi to kape. Juice. Juice yung nilagay ko dito. Orange juice. Para save sa hugasin ba. Balikan ko kayo mamaya. So, ito na siya mga palangga. Last track ko, yung box natin, nag-arrive siya sa Subic International Port. Ngayon, nag-update siya, arrive at LBCC Cargo Warehouse sa Manila. So, yes. Hi, I'm so excited talaga. I hope okay lang yung box. Umuulan na naman. Haha. Tinawagan ako ni Mr. kanina. Mga lunchtime ata yun. Tinanong ko siya, what do you want for tea tonight? Sabi niya, surprise me. So, yung naisip ko, ham, eggs, and roasted potato. Yun lang yung naisip ko. Hindi kasi ako mag-dinner, mag-tea. Kasi, nakita niyo naman, I have a big breakfast slash lunch kanina. Tumawag si Mr. Pauwi na daw siya. At sabi ko sa kanya, do you want me to prepare you a coffee? He said, you can try. Hindi talaga ako nagpe-prepare ng coffee niya kasi sobrang picky niyan. Yan. Sino namang hindi gusto ng good coffee, di ba? Mas maigi talaga na ikaw yung nagpe-prepare sa coffee mo para you can make it how you want it, your coffee. At ako talaga, hindi talaga ako kagalingan mag-make ng coffee. Sana makapasa to kay Mr. Good luck! At sabi niya, nung tinuturuan niya akong magtimpla ng kape niya, dapat ito yung spoon na gamitin mo. Yung teaspoon na Nescafe. Kasi dalawang klase yung teaspoon namin. Yung isa Nescafe at yung isa ordinary lang. So, yun yung sabi niya. So, oh my gosh, uy. Ang dami niyan, uy. Oh, I don't know. Dalawang canderil. I-kiss natin. Good luck kiss. Parang buwang ba? Kung ayaw niya, edi. Ayaw niya. Wala tayong magagawa. At least he is honest if sasabihin niya na hindi niya gusto. Well, si Mr. He is very honest. He has no filter. Kung hindi niya gusto, hindi niya gusto. So, at the moment, nag-iron ako ng mga clothes. Tambay bahay talaga. Uy, ngayong Monday, I have work all day. It's been a while na wala ako sa trabaho. My last shift was the 10th of October. At babalik ako on Monday. So, ayun. So, ano kaya mga pangyayari sa bahay, no? I hope okay lang yung mga residents namin. I need to boil the kettle. He's here. OMG. I hope magustuhan niya yung kape niya. He's ready for his coffee. Oh my. Here's your coffee, sir.
Thank you, madam.
Delivery?
Is this the finest of the finest?
I don't know. Is it bad?
Not enough sweetener in it.
Not enough sweetener?
You put level spoons in, I have heap spoons.
Oh gosh.
Seriously? It's not, I can't drink like that.
So, do you want me to put the sweetener?
Yeah.
I did put sweetener too.
I put level spoons, I have full spoons. Heap spoons.
Come on, you do it then.
No, I've got to do some, darling.
Nako, tong si Mr. Ay! Sobrang sweet niya. Sobrang sweet ng panglasa niya. Hindi daw matamis. Another one. So I hope this is okay. I have add another teaspoon of sweetener. You need to try again.
I'm the nectar. Right, just let me go, darling.
Tell me anything, oy.
Oh, that's pretty.
Okay, bye. O, diba? Sabi ko sa inyo, pag hindi nagustuhan ni Mr., sasabihin talaga niya. Yan yung gusto ko kay Mr. at sa mother-in-law ko. Kasi sasabihin talaga nila so that you will not keep making the same mistake. Manonood ako ng horror film. So, ito yung tea ni Mr. There you go. Ready for you, sweetheart. It's nice and cozy here now. And he's sitting comfortably.
Oh, yeah.
The next day.
Good morning! Ito yung morning face ko, haggard. Si John naglilinis ng kanaan ba yan? O ano, it's a Polaris. Polaris yung nililinis niya. Kasi kahapon, it was out yesterday. May nag-rent. Hindi siya nagpo-focus dahil sa glass. Yung glass, hindi siya madumi sa loob ha, sa labas. Rason pa more. Totoo naman talaga. Sa labas yung hindi malinis. So, ngayon, I need to cook some spaghetti kasi ito na nga, meron pa akong leftover. Ito, ipe-freeze ko siya kasi hindi ko naman siya maubos ngayon. So, ilalagay ko siya sa freezer yung iba, dun yung iba kakainin ko. So, ito yung breakfast ko ngayon. Time here is 9 o'clock. It's the 20th of October. Malapit nang matapos yung October, di ba? Sobrang bilis ng panahon. At sobrang bilis ko ding tumanda. I think our pot is too small for the amount of the spaghetti we are cooking. So, ita-transfer ko muna. There you go. Yan. So, ito yung i-freeze ko. Yan. Kung nagtataka kayo, kung hindi ako napapakita sa camera, hindi ako mapapakita sa camera kasi wala akong bra at yung night dress ko, may pagka-see-through siya. So, nilagyan ko siya ng cling film. Then, lalagyan ko siya ng date. Para malaman ko kung kailan ko siya freeze. Noon talaga, hindi ko nilalagyan ng date yung mga fini-freeze ko. Pero nung nagsimula ako sa pinagtatrabahuan ko, ito na, parang naging habit ko na. Here we are again, looking for cars. Hunting for cars. There you go. Nandoon si Mr. I like the silver one. It's automatic? What's this? I like the silver one. Is this the same as what I've got?
That's the new one. What's the new
I like this color. Haha.
17 black.
Ah.
Hybrid.
It's 11,000.
What's the new?
That's a new Ego.
There you go, yeah. Looks bigger.
Doesn't look bigger, it's just the same.
The normal.
Mm-mm. That looks so nice. I'm too old.
Oh my god,
That's 2018? Is that 2018?
What fucking price of it? I'm paying 16 grand.
Haha. I like this, Jan. This one, no? The color.
Well done, this is nothing.
Is it automatic? It has to be automatic. I really like this color. Yeah, it's manual. This is the same color to what my manager's car. I like the color. That's the one. This is the one. Itong car na to, it doesn't say na merong sat-nav. It doesn't say anything about sat-nav.
No, but it might have it though, might not.
But they will
What?
feature that one if
Eh?
if this car got one. We need to ask. Ito, natitingnan namin kung may sat-nav ba yung sasakyan. I-double check niya. Does he got one? There is a sat-nav.
No sat nav.
Oh. Sayang, walang sat-nav. Very unlucky. Papasok tayo dito. Come on, open. Open.
That's automatic.
How much?
I don't know.
This is the only automatic they got?
Yeah. Slightly bigger boot.
You can fit in there.
You can do some shopping with this one.
Yeah, shopping. You can have shopping in this one. Well, I don't care. It doesn't matter. As what you said, it doesn't matter if it is not hybrid.
I don't think it's hybrid. thought you want a white one.
The color doesn't matter really.
See, you know.
As long as it is automatic, it got sat nav. Oh my! Can you adjust the seat? So, tinitingnan, chine-check ng guy kung magkano to. Ayaw kong maging comfortable dito kasi pag nalaman yung price at hindi abot sa budget, that's a bit disappointing.
It's an icon. So it's got an icon tech, you see.
Just a basic model, isn't it?
Yeah. I'm just going to see. There's some of them. It's still 1,500 miles.
Yeah, no.
Tinitingnan niya if merong sat nav.
No, that's
No?
no sat nav.
Ay, walang sat nav. Look at this. Ayaw talaga ni Jan if hybrid. Pero yung sa loob, oh, I like the inside. Hindi ko naman kailangan ng hybrid. Kasi yung miles na ginagawa ko, hindi naman ako malayo. It's either this one or yung red one. Kasi ito, brand new siya. Pero yung price... John, how much is this again? He did not told how much is this, isn't it? Ito siya, basic lang siya, pero brand new siya. Yung isa, 11,000, but it's not brand new. It's a 17 plate.
500 miles.
1,000?
500 miles.
Why
Why do what?
why there's a mileage on it? Like,
It's not brand new.
it's not brand new.
No.
Oh, it's just this year.
No, it's
So this is not brand new. Well, it's this year. So
months old.
yeah, a few months old. So sinabi na pala ng guy kung magkano to. This is 13,000 plus. Kaso walang satnav. I need satnav kasi yung hinahanap ko, it doesn't matter what color, what make, what year, basta lang automatic at merong satnav. Yun yung hinahanap ko.
10,000. No, not even.
That's a new Ego.
Well, no, it's not new, but as a brand new one, they're only 12 anyway.
So that's a new Ego.
It's a new shape there, though.
Yung sa akin, similar sa model na yan, but this is like an upgraded model sa model na meron ako ngayon.
It's absolutely identical to yours.
It is identical.
Oh, it's only facelifted.
Problemado si Mr.
All the, what is it?
Titingnan namin ulit yung red car na nakita natin sa labas, the 16 plate. Somebody's looking at it. This is it.
Go on.
So it's come in.
Yeah. Just a bit more space in the Ego, isn't it?
Yeah, and a bit more boot space as well.
Nandito na kami sa bahay. Kukunin ko lang yung sinampay ko. Kasi I don't think it will get dry. Jumper to ni Jan. Naalala nyo ba? Open the door, please.
Freezing. Is it wet?
Very wet.
No, don't tell me.
Lalagay ko kayo dito, ha? There they are. They're having their chews.
Sit. Sit. Yeah, whatever. Hey! You do not take until I put it to your mouth. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum.
There you go.
Shouldn't tease them, really.
You need
but
some chews as
you
well.
get some. No, I don't. You need a chew.
Hello! They're online. The signal is so bad. Hello! Hello? We cannot have a proper conversation because of the signal. Hello? They're gone. Let's have a look what we got. Not a lot, sir. I really don't know.
Hold your stuff.
That one? Chicken burger? Would you like...
Was there some in the bag, did you say? Were you?
No, you've used it already.
Okay.
We need fries. I got spaghetti. I got spaghetti. So this is what I'm having tonight. And John is having a burger. Chicken burger. There's nothing inside the oven. He's still looking. He's still locking a car.
16, 66, 9.
So, yung plano namin, we will part exchange. Is it? Do you call it
Well,
part exchange?
possibly, yeah.
Yeah.
Depends.
So, yung plano talaga, the original plan is we will part exchange my car. But then, we don't know yet. So, yeah, naghahanap-hanap muna kami. Tingin-tingin lang. At, yeah, plano ko talaga na mag-exchange ng car kasi I've been wanting a manual, no, automatic. I've been wanting an automatic with sat-nav kasi walang sat-nav yung sasakyan ko. So, sa mga disclaimer dyan, hindi po ako nagmamayabang ha. At yung hinahanap na car ko, yung sasakyan na hinahanap ko, mag-lighting muna tayo ha. Oop. Yan. Tama na ba yan? So, yung hinahanap naming sasakyan, second hand siya. Hindi siya brand new. Kasi yun lang talaga yung maaabot sa budget ko. Of course, ano din, mag-aambag ako ng pambili ng sasakyan. So, yeah, hanap-hanap, nagtitingin-tingin kami. Matagal ko nang gusto na magkaroon ng automatic na sasakyan with sat-nav kasi yung akin, sabi ko nga wala akong sat-nav. Pwede naman mag-finance, pero no, I'm scared to be in that position as much as possible. I want to avoid to be in that position kasi feeling ko ha, iba't iba tayo ng pananaw. So, for me, wala naman akong issue kung bago ba or hindi. So, pananaw ko, kung feeling mo, deserving mo na kumuha ng bago, go for it. Pero, feeling ko, ngayon, hindi worth it na kumuha ako ng bagong sasakyan, yung brand new talaga. Kasi, of course, when you say finance, utang yun, diba? Naku, nakakatakot pakinggan. At, kailangan talagang magtrabaho kasi, diba, may utang. So, I don't want to be in that position. So, ayaw ko talagang mapunta doon. Basta may magamit lang ako, yun na, sold na ako, yun lang. So, tingin-tingin muna, no rush. Matagal-tagal na kaming naghahanap, pero hindi ko pa din mahanap yung the one. So, yun yung ganap natin mga palangga. At tomorrow, meron akong trabaho, nako, at yung assessor ko sa NVQ ko. Tomorrow yung visit niya, nako. But, I'm getting there. Malapit na tayong matapos sa NVQ ko. So, anyway, balik tayo sa mga balikbayan boxes ko. Trinak ko ulit. No progression sa LBC ko. LBC boxes ko. Nandoon pa din siya sa LBCC Cargo Warehouse, Manila. So, nagpapasalamat talaga ako kay Sis Jemima. Sis Jem, hi, kung nanonood ka, mga palangga, si Sis Jemima, meron siyang channel, Paul and Jem. So, ilalagay ko yung channel nila sa description below. I-check nyo sila. Sobrang bait niya. Matagal na kaming magkakilala, pero hindi talaga kami nag-meet in person. Ay, marami akong kakilala dito, pero hindi kami nag-meet in person kasi medyo malayo kasi sila. Wala talaga. Iwan ko basta one day, Sis Jim, if meron tayong time, mag-meet tayo talaga. So, anyway, mga palangga, ito na yung vlog natin for today. So, I'll see you in my next vlog and bye! Mwah! Mwah!